How it's going? As you see, it's a crazy start to my day. But as you see, I still have to come out here to try and get these two houses done before it gets worse. It's not so cold, but it's snowing and it's a wet snow. But I still came out here because I'm still trying to get these two houses here done. So here I am today. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done yesterday. Yesterday I started my stone work. I'm gonna show you guys what I did yesterday. So we complete this one. If you haven't seen those videos, go and check the video out where we lay brick on the side and the back and stone on the front. Before he decided he want to go with stucco with that here that you see we leave out, but he decided he's gonna put brick or stone there. Later on I'm gonna cover that up. This is the one that we're working on right now. We already have brick upload for this one. You can feel free to check that out as well if you haven't seen those yet. So this is what we did yesterday. We did this stone work here, go all the way up here. So today this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna try and lay stone here, go all the way around this side. Hopefully I can get it up to here. It's not a good day, it's snowing like crazy. Okay guys, let's dive right into the video. As you see, I'm out here in the cold. Still trying to make a few videos for you guys to see what I'm doing. But before we jump into the video, smash that thumbs up button. Thanks for your support. Let's get started in the video. Yes, my people, I want you guys to know that I truly respect you guys stopping around and supporting me with my video and stuff. I want to say a big thank you, man. Enough respect and love. So here we have today where we're gonna try and finish this front section with stone. Basically laying stone from the ledge coming up. See, I have my stone there. You want to make sure you put your level on the wall itself to get the straightness of the wall onto the stone. So I want to continue that, go all the way up. And so this stone that I'm using, it's a permacan man-made stone. In my opinion, it's probably one of the easiest stone to lay. It's pretty straightforward. Here I'm setting up my string line from my 45, the corner there. You want to make sure you line it up with the brick. So you want to run your lever onto the brick to get the straightness of the straightness from the brick wall. So you want to run the stone wall parallel with the brick wall. This is what I use to hold the stone to the wall. So guys, when marking a stone, you want to match it with the previous joint. So this is the edge of our joint. You want to put this stone here that we are cutting now. Put it right here and leave half an inch to the joint just like so. This is the piece that we're going to cut for here now. So the way we want to plumb our wall is we want to place out the wrist of our hand at the back of the wall and keep doing that as we go up to maintain the plumbing of the wall. I want to basically each time I go over. This way you know that's the cavity, that helps to maintain the cavity of the wall. Go up because the wall is supposed to be plumb. Once we use our finger go all the way up, the stone itself is supposed to be plumb as well. And I have a video where I explain to you guys the way how I form my pattern. I'll link that down in the description. You can check that out afterwards. I might throw that up in the card as well. So pretty straightforward. If you get involved from this video so far, do give it a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube to recognize it so you can share it with others so that they can learn from it as well. Make sure you have at least 3 3/4 here. Still is 3 inches. You want to have a 1/4 inch space here, just in case they want to remove the window later on. They can pop it open. Now we got to put our weeping planks here now. So usually guys, I don't put big on top of a big, but because they have way too many big stones, we have no other choice than to go with a more big than most of the other ones. I guess that's how we like it, the homeowner. They all have so much big and a small portion of medium and small. have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. I'm gonna cut it short here. I don't want it to be drawn out too much. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Hit the notification bell as well, so when I upload more video, you get notified. Thank you guys. Be safe.